Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the meeting URL and the meeting number on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then you should tap on this information button in the upper right corner of the screen. So click on it, and as you can see, you can check the meeting URL, which is in the first box, and in the second section you can see the number of your meeting. As you can see, if someone joins from video conference, you can see the dial here and the PIN code as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.